Hi everyone and welcome to the Ultimate Traders course. I'm Johan Milan and I started my trading career in 2003 and I'm really excited sharing all my knowledge with you during this course, taking you on this journey with me. Now whether you're a newbie or just brushing up on your skills, I've got you covered in this course. I'm really going to start with the absolute basics and I'll take you right through to very advanced analysis. I understand that life is demanding and that time is precious. So during this course, I will do my best to show you how to earn an extra income that will take less than 60 minutes of your time each day. Now, this course is not just about theory. It's about equipping you with the necessary knowledge and skills and tools to transform you into a confident, consistent and profitable trader. Now, there's no promise of overnight riches here. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It involves risk and you should only trade with what you can afford to lose. Think of it as learning any other skill. You start with the basics and build yourself up until you can do the job. More than anything, this course is built to get you up and on your way. Now, education is key. Making money isn't a walk in the park, guys, and anyone saying otherwise is most likely deceiving you. But it's not impossible with a proper education, dedication and practice. This course is your big step towards long-term trading success. I've structured this course based on short individual videos to simplify the learning process. This course will be a full and comprehensive course. It's not something that I will show you only the first part on YouTube and then sell the balance of the course. No, I've decided to make the whole course freely available by using the YouTube monetization and sponsorships. When I started recording the course, I decided not to wait until the whole course is finished before I publish it. So you will find consistent videos coming out every now and then. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, that you don't miss out on any of those videos. And I will update in the description below this specific video what I'm busy with, what is finished, and I will give you the link to the whole playlist. So as you follow along, you will cover all the detail that you need to become a very successful trader. But before we start, I must remind you of a few things by law. This course is for educational purposes only, and all the content on this is my personal opinion and is strictly for demonstration purposes only. Any information contained within this course material is not intended as financial advice. Now that we understand what we're getting ourselves into, we've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get started.